Hello everyone and welcome back to my another new blog video. Okay, so in this video I would like to say something about in this place. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear friends, you know our maximum video I make this location and in our village. Okay, so already I mentioned that my all video I already that this place, and this is our mustard field. And dear friends, before 1 week ago I visited this mustard field, and today I visit this mustard actually crops. So look like very amazing. Okay, so dear friends, actually nowadays I can't practice for English. Okay, so actually English is an international and very important language. So now our video start. So as you can see this in my behind side, this is our niece. So she is 13 years old and so very nice, and just I will take some photos, so that is why she has come here. And this mustard flower so look like very yellow color, so this is the very amazing scenery. So and now I will take some photos. So dear friends, thank you.